very much.
All right, finally tonight, you might have seen on our Facebook page or our promo saying we here at WTVA, we have a secret.
Well, the wait is over. It's finally time for the big announcement. WTVA's Emily Leonard joins us now with more. So, Emily, what's up?
Oh, guys, secrets are so much fun, but we just cannot hold it in any longer. But I'm not going to be the one to tell you. No way. For that, we turn it over to a very special WTVA correspondent to tell you what's coming this fall.
So, what's the announcement? Obviously, you're pregnant. You're pregnant again.
We are expecting baby number 2 in early October. I'm about 15 weeks, and we should find out next month.
Hopefully.
Boy or girl?
Yeah, I hope it's a boy.
And
I don't know what I hope it is. We have a lot of girl stuff. It's, you know.
Well, you know, some people
Yeah.
just wait and just surprise on delivery.
Well, that's what we did
we
last
did that
time.
with her, but you
And
know.
I think we need a little more prep time.
But yes, my due date's October 13th, so I may be getting a little bit bigger, but that's okay, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and
It's a
she's
thing.
the friendliest baby you ever want to meet. I've never seen her.
That was her. Like, that's the way she is all the time, just happy and
Pulled
sweet.
out my tricks, guys.
Yeah.
Can you wave hi to everyone?
Can you say hi?
Say hi.
Hi.
No, I promise there's somebody in that thing over there. Oh,
Always smiling. She's so
being
adorable.
shy. Yeah.
Well, congratulations.
So
to
thank you so
all of
much.
you.
And we thank everyone here in North Mississippi who's just
Yeah.
been so kind to us and welcome Penny into their homes as well.
So thank you. And check us out on Facebook. We'll be posting all kinds of updates. Mama? Yeah, Mama. Yeah, absolutely.
All right,
Can you
then.
say bye-bye?
Say bye.
Okay, bye. We'll see you later.
See
bye.
you at 10 o'clock.
Blow
See you at
kisses?
10. Blow kiss. Mwah.
Focus.
Can you blow kiss?